In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat Facebook Messenger automation. This process is not only straightforward, but is also designed to save you time and streamline your interactions with customers. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Manychat account. If you don't have an account just yet, now is a great time to create one, as Manychat offers many tools that can enhance your business communications on Facebook. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on your profile picture located conveniently at the top left of your screen. This will help you navigate to the menu where you need to be. Here you'll want to proceed by clicking on Create Account. This is essential for setting up your automation with Facebook Messenger, so make sure you don't skip this step. After creating your account, you will be prompted to select Facebook Messenger as the channel. It's important to connect the right channel where your audience is most active and engage with your message. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Facebook account swiftly. This connection is critical because it links Manychat with your existing Facebook presence, making sure any automation you create speaks directly to your audience through Messenger. Once you've connected your Facebook account, you will need to choose the specific Facebook page you want to use with Manychat. This is useful if you manage multiple pages, as you need to ensure you select the right one for automation. After selecting your page, simply click Connect to complete the integration process. The setup wizard will guide you through the process, so it's helpful to pay close attention to the prompts. One key step that can't be overlooked is granting Manychat access to control your Facebook page and use Messenger. This is vital for enabling Manychat to send messages on your behalf and manage interactions effectively, so make sure you provide the necessary permissions. Now, you have a couple of options for creating automation. You can either build something entirely from scratch or use one of Manychat's ready-made templates. If you're feeling creative and want to tailor the automation specifically to your needs, starting from scratch is an excellent option. To get started, head over to Automations and then select My Automations. From here, you'll click on Plus New Automation, which is your gateway to building an automation that's tailored to your exact specifications. Next, you'll want to click on Start from Scratch. This option gives you full creative freedom to craft an automation flow that best suits your business objectives and audience interactions. Lastly, you get to design your automation based on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're automating customer responses, promoting new products, or just trying to streamline communications, this is where your vision comes to life. Feel free to explore and experiment with different triggers and messages until you perfect your automation setup. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up Manychat Facebook Messenger automation, allowing you to connect more organically and efficiently with your audience. Happy automating!